Which city is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Which element has the chemical symbol Fe? Iron. What do we call a word with the opposite meaning of another word? Antonym. Which country's national flag is shown? Japan. What wedge-shaped writing system was used in ancient Mesopotamia? Cuneiform. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? Heart. Choose the correct word. The dog wagged blank tail. Here are the choices. Option A. ITS. Option B. IT''S. Option C. ITS'. ITS. Which galaxy contains our solar system? Milky Way. Which mountain range is commonly used as part of the boundary between Europe and Asia? Ural Mountains. What force pulls objects toward Earth's center? Gravity. Which blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body? Red blood cells. What do we call goods and services sold to buyers in other countries? Exports. A solution with a pH below 7 is described by what word? Acidic. In what year was Magna Carta first issued? (1215). Which planet is shown in this stylized image? Saturn. What prefix means against or opposed to? Anti. Which river flows through Paris? Seine. Which subatomic particle carries a negative electric charge? Electron. Which branch of the U.S. government interprets laws? Judicial branch. What is the largest part of the human brain? Cerebrum. In which country did the Renaissance begin? Italy. What process changes liquid water into water vapor? Evaporation. What is the nearest star to the Sun? Proxima Centauri. Which word is an adverb? Here are the choices. Option A, quick. Option B, quickly. Option C, quickness. Quickly. Which group of vertebrates is defined by having feathers? Birds. What agreement stops fighting between opposing sides without necessarily ending the war? Armistice. Which Greek letter is shown? Omega. What is the hardest naturally occurring substance? Diamond. Which imaginary line lies at about 66.5 degrees north latitude? Arctic Circle. Which simple machine uses a grooved wheel and a rope or cable? Pulley. What is the smallest positive number divisible by both 6 and 8? 24.